Welcome to Pinvest TV, India's first real estate channel. The real estate sector is one of the most globally recognized sectors. It comprises of 4 subsectors: housing, retail, hospitality, and commercial. The growth of this sector is well complemented by the growth in the corporate environment and the demand for office space as well as urban and semi-urban accommodation. The construction industry ranks third among the 14 major sectors in terms of direct, indirect, and induced effects in all sectors of the economy. In India, the real estate sector is the second highest employment generator after the agriculture sector. It was also expected that this sector will incur more non-resident Indian (NRI) investment both in the short term and the long term. Bangalore was expected to be the most favored property investment destination for NRIs, followed by Ahmedabad, Pune, Chennai, Goa, Delhi and Dehradun. By 2040, the real estate market will grow to 65,000 crore rupees, $9.30 billion from 12,000 crore rupees, $1.72 billion in 2019. Real estate sector in India is expected to reach $1 trillion in market size by 2030, up from $200 billion in 2021 and contribute 13% to the country's GDP by 2025. Retail, hospitality, and commercial real estate are also growing significantly, providing the much-needed infrastructure for India's growing needs. India's real estate sector is expected to expand to $5.8 trillion by 2047, contributing 15.5% to the GDP from an existing share of 7.3%. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.